Hey guys, what's up? It's Shy and welcome to It's Glam Time. So for today, we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. For those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is a subscription box full of full-size makeup products that you get once a month. It's only $21 and the products inside are always worth so much more than that. And I love that they're all full-size. It's so much better than just getting a bunch of little minis because then you really get to try out the full product, and if you love it, you already have a full size. So for this month, let's open her up. Okay, so for this month, the theme is Rock 2018. So every box has a little theme in it, and on the back of your card, it'll tell you the different products that are in it and what the normal price point is. So let's see what we got going on here. Okay, one of the first products I'm seeing is a Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint, and my shade is this? Posh. So that's another thing about Boxycharm is your shades can vary from other subscribers as well. So that's kind of fun. You never know what you're going to fully get. And this lip paint, let's see, she normally retails for $23. So Posh appears to be a warm toned brown. Did give it a little bit of a swatch. So warm toned liquid lipstick. Now let's see what they say about this. One of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words, lightweight, long wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. Okay. So I'm going to leave it on the back of my hand and we're going to see if she dries down fully. I really love the tone. I feel like it's super neutral and would look good on a lot of different skin tones as well. Okay, the next thing that I am seeing is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I love Dr. Brandt products, so this is super exciting for me to see. I am curious how the luminizing primer is going to work with my oily skin because those can be a hit or miss. I do like to look luminous, I just don't like the greasiness that comes with it. And this little guy normally retails for $38. So that alone is awesome. And on the back right here, it does say all skin types. So I'm super excited to try this out. Let's see, we also have, okay, IT Cosmetics Brow Power. This one's a universal brow pencil, and it retails for $24. So I'm curious how this will be universal. Let's open it up and swatch. Okay, so it is a dual end. Okay, so it just twists up. It is kind of an oval shape. I don't know if you can see that. And then the other side has a spoolie, so that's really nice. I'm going to swatch it right next to, so that is it there. I do feel like that's a pretty neutral shade. It is a little bit lighter than the color I like to do my eyebrows on a normal basis, but y'all know I got my blonde wig, so this would be perfect for her. Or if I am doing like a more natural brow, since my natural eyebrows are pretty blonde on their own. I am naturally blonde, so I have to deal with that. Let's see, yeah. Ooh, okay, so then we have an eyeshadow palette. This is Crown Pro Glam Metals palette, and this retails for $25. This little guy right here. So let's open it up. Okay, this is so cute. So it has a guitar-shaped mirror and all metals, all shimmery shadows, except looks like we have a matte black. I'm going to swatch a few on the back of my hand and let's see how it does. First impression, it does look really fun. I like that it's super shimmery. Definitely going to be fun for a great crease colors. And they are very pigmented. So the colors I swatched were Punk, Rebel, and Glam Rock. These will be definitely fun to play around with. I do wish there was like a good transition shade in here, but I feel like, you know, we have so many transition shades from all other palettes that all shimmers is really fun. So that's going to be super fun to play around with, and even like really great like inner corner moments. Okay, and then looks like we have Pure, the Collection Authority, a Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette, and this is $34. See, it's got one of these. And it's got the pink, the highlighting shade, and then a bronzing shade. And it's got the mirror, so I like that. Ooh, right off the bat, these are super creamy. I'm going to swatch them on the side of my hand. Let's see here. Ooh, really creamy. Okay. They almost, be careful when you swatch these or play around with these because they almost have a lot of kick up back in. But let me see if I can get a little bit closer to the camera. Okay, there we go. So these are the colors. The only thing, I'm going to be super honest, first impressions, I don't love this, and let me tell you why. So for a bronzer color, this is almost like a metallic eyeshadow. It's super shimmery and really luminous, and I'm not quite sure how I feel about that as far as a bronzer, because on your bronzer you want your face to really warm up, but you normally don't want it to have this much of a luminosity. See how like even in the camera you can see how luminous that is? I think this would be an incredible eyeshadow, an inner corner moment, and highlight for deeper skin tones, but I'm not loving it as far as a bronzer. The highlight is very pretty though. It's going to be too pale for my skin tone, but I think it'll be really nice for an inner corner moment. As for the cheek color, I think that is super duper pretty and something that I'll definitely use. So all in all, I really like this month's Boxycharm. I think it's really, really fun. I love that everything is more on the luminous, fun side, very fun to bring in the new year. The only thing I'm iffy on is that bronzer, but I will update in the description box below if that changes once I try it out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.